Hi, this is Vicki from Marketing Heartbeat. I just wanted to share today a little bit about Marketing Heartbeat and how it got started and what we're going to do in the future. So Marketing Heartbeat started about 3 years ago. I bought the domain name and decided that people needed more than just a website. They needed to market their business, and I'm here to help them or do a service for them, whatever they need. And I'm excited to share that for the next several weeks I'm going to be posting videos on Tuesday. We call it Tips Tuesday, to show you how to market your business for 90 days and get more followers, more people to see you. We want to get the reach out there so people can see you and know your business. That's the first step of getting customers. And we also want to create our customer avatar and our tone. So I'm excited to share that we're going to do each step to do that in the next several weeks. For now, I hope and pray that you have a great day, and from my heart to yours, have a great marketing day.